In the beginning of this, you'll start seeing the ship just barely moving. And that's how fast it really is going. So here later, in a little bit here, I'm going to show you a faster part of the video. But it's so amazing to watch what they do and how they do this. While I was watching this, I was on what they call the port side, which is the left side of the boat. And I kept hearing this loud noise behind me and to the right, which is the starboard side. So I'm looking around and I'm trying to figure out, what is that noise I'm hearing? Now mind you, I already been in back of the boat. So I didn't see this, what was coming up on the starboard side, which is the right side. All of a sudden, here it comes. It scared the crap out of me. You'll see it. I had to zoom out. I was trying to rush and see it. Yeah, here comes another big ship. And I thought, wow. And it was going pretty fast. Maybe that's the reason why the other one was going so slow. I had to keep zooming out so you could see the whole thing. If I zoomed in, you wouldn't see it. I mean, it was massive. But, I mean, it's really neat to go down here. This is what they call the hole down by Baton Rouge area. And if anybody can tell me the reason why they call it the hole, please leave a comment below. But here, I'm going to be picking up the tripod and trying to get at least the back end of this. Mind you, the other ship is still down there. It's still creeping up. So, excuse me for walking, but I'm trying to get in so I can zoom in a little bit. Of course, you know I don't have the sound on due to the fact it is very loud outside with these big engines from these ships. Alright, here in a few moments, I'm going to speed up the video so you can watch the other ship come flying up the river. This new one was going down the river. So enjoy the rest of the movie.